This is where the process begins. Black Angus cattle arrive at a large U.S. facility.
Easy, easy. Keep moving. Steady. Keep moving.
Large Angus bulls require control. Herds move in controlled groups.
Move up. Keep going.
Ramps guide cattle into holding areas.
Hold. Now go.
Gates control the flow precisely. Cattle are inspected in controlled lines.
Keep them moving.
Bulls are handled in smaller groups. Herd behavior is constantly monitored.
Keep moving. Straight ahead.
Cattle move into controlled chute systems.
Keep it steady.
Corridors guide movement efficiently. Cattle move in single-file lines.
Keep it moving.
Chutes keep movement controlled. Holding pens allow cattle to settle. Each animal is inspected individually. Feeding behavior is closely monitored.
Left side. Keep moving.
Cattle are divided into separate lanes. Hydration is part of the process. Close-up of feeding behavior.
Feeding is monitored outdoors as well.
Feeding and hydration continue at all times. Large facilities handle high volumes efficiently. Inspection continues inside the facility. Holding areas organize cattle before processing.
Keep moving.
Cattle move from open yards into the facility. Cattle are washed before processing. High-pressure systems clean the surface. Steam adds an extra cleaning layer. Raw hides are cleaned manually. Manual scraping removes excess material. The transcription is, large teams handle high-volume processing. Precision scraping refines the surface. Processing continues in parallel stations. Dual lines increase efficiency. Liquids help loosen remaining material. Hides are rolled for the next stage. Hides are soaked and agitated in water. Conveyors move hides through water baths.
Water agitation enhances cleaning efficiency.
Hides are lowered into processing vats. Hides are lifted after soaking. Overhead cranes handle heavy loads. Hides are hung to drain excess water. Edges are trimmed for uniform shape. Skeeving evens the hide thickness. Annual work continues at multiple stations. Larger hides require team handling. Rolling and manual tools refine the surface. Tanning liquid penetrates the hides. Hides are separated and prepared for the next step. Hides are dipped into tanning solutions. Hides are lifted after chemical treatment. Hides are hung to drain excess solution. Rotating drums ensure even tanning. Manual lifts assist heavy handling. Machines remove excess moisture. Manual stretching improves shape and flexibility. Hides are secured onto stretching frames. Hides are stretched under tension. Frames are arranged for large-scale drying. Frames are secured with precise tension. Machines stretch hides with precision. Hides dry on racks for uniform airflow. Drying conditions are carefully controlled. Airflow accelerates the drying process. Airflow ensures even drying. Finished hides show a smooth, glossed surface. Rollers smooth and refine the leather. Close-up of the smoothing process. The finished hide emerges smooth and glossy. Conveyors keep production moving continuously. Manual polishing enhances the finish. Each hide is checked for quality. Hides are folded for storage and transport. Surface smoothing prepares the final finish. A final mark identifies the product. Final finishing ensures a uniform surface.
Hides are sorted and stacked for storage.
Finished hides are stored in large warehouses. Teamwork ensures a flawless surface. Forklifts transport finished materials efficiently. Folding lines prepare hides for shipment. Edges are creased for a clean finish. Hides are stacked neatly for storage. Stored hides are regularly inspected.
Wrapped pallets are moved for shipment.
Horn processing begins with raw material intake. Horns are unloaded for sorting. Horns are sorted by size and condition.
Horns are categorized for processing.
Conveyor lines speed up sorting.
Horns are prepared for boiling. Boiling softens the horn material.
Horns are placed into boiling vats.
Hoists assist in handling hot materials. Bulk batches are processed using crane baskets. Manual dipping controls processing time. Horns are washed after boiling.
Initial shaping begins at the workbench.
Assembly lines streamline horn processing.
Inner material is removed for hollowing.
The inner core is fully removed. Hollow horns are checked for quality.
Horns are cut and shaped to form. Interior cleaning ensures purity.
Horns are arranged for drying and finishing.
Machines refine the horn shape.
Edges are smoothed by hand for precision.
Finished horns display their final polished form.
Detailed engraving adds decorative value.
Grinding refines the final shape. Buffing creates a high-gloss finish. Final polishing enhances surface brilliance. Dark finishes require careful polishing. final touches are completed on the line. The final product is ready for use.